I recently repaired this cuckoo clock crown. It was broken off on that end, a few little bits missing. Well, the other thing wrong is the pendulum's missing. That's the model, 312, and that's a very small picture of the pendulum. So I've started drawing that up. So I've worked out that it's about 7.5 times the size of that. So I measure all these little bits, multiply it by 7.5, transfer it onto here. So I've marked out the rough length and the width, and I measured up the width of the leaf in the middle, and drew a box section. So that side's not been done yet, so that's the width of it is there. The top bit of the leaf, sort of that bit, has been measured, marked out. The bottom bit's been measured, marked out, and then you just draw in the rough shape. Just roughly like that. This comes down to about there. And the bottom one. That's roughly it. I'm not going to transfer it completely because it doesn't want to be too symmetrical. It's reasonably the same, but it's a leaf, so it shouldn't be exactly. It does look like there's a crease down there, which is like that bit, but it seems to curve that way. It's not a brilliant picture, but it gives you a good idea of what it should look like. That goes somewhere like that. So this will actually go in a bit and then out. So it probably looks something like that. It's a very rough shape. And then you just count how many little spikes there are on each part, and then just divide it up so it's the same, so you know it's roughly what it looks like. Now this bit should roll under. Let's get rid of that. You have to be careful as well because you've got sort of foreshortening going on. So you basically just want to cut the shape out and carve it and then put these in afterwards and just sort of tweak it a little bit. It's better if you can make it out of clay first and you can just photograph it from above and then you get the correct shape. But I never seem to get around to doing that. I just sort of wing it a little bit. That's roughly what that's like. This comes round here, it'll be the same. It just needs to catch the edges of those leaves, that leaf, so that it's got some stability, it holds on. And the top, if you look really closely, that rolls around that way. I think it goes around there. this one comes round. It cuts off about there, so that needs a little bit more work just to try and tidy that up, make it look right. And the bottom one does a similar thing, and it's something like that where the branches just twist together again at the bottom. But it is quite tricky to see because it's not a very good picture. That one seems to come round. It appears to go that way. And then there's something else here. So whether something comes round, I don't know. This swings round the same as the other side. So it looks something like that. So I'll need to work on this a little bit more, get that looking right, try and figure out what it is. Yeah, that one seems to come round like that. I mean, it's not actually a photograph, it's just a print of it's like an advertising thing, so it's not perfect. It gives you a good idea. It's a little bit difficult to read because it is really small. Anyway, I'll figure that out, and then I'll have to neaten it up again, transfer it to a piece of walnut. I think that's as close as I'm going to get it. This top bit's not quite right. If I get it more like that, it looks clumsy and doesn't seem to work, so I've just left it like that now. The bottom bit looks about right. This bit comes round and goes straight down. This one sort of curls round and round the back and up the front again. That's a pendulum off another one, so it's a similar size. There's a bit broken off the bottom. It would have been something like that on there as well. And some bits missing there, and it's just a bit shorter. This one does look quite long in the length. It disappears behind these little grapes here, this bunch of grapes. But it probably stops about there. They're not usually that long. So I'll trace this, transfer it onto a piece of walnut and fret it out. I've drawn it out on a piece of 1/2 inch walnut, so it's the same thickness as that one. So it should be okay, because I want to cut these leaves quite deep, because I want it to look more like that than the flatter type that you tend to get, like that one.